Islamic cleric looks beyond EndSARS protest. The cleric said that the same treatment meted on members of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, in Zaria, Kaduna State, in 2015, where over 300 Shiites were killed by the military during a procession, must be visited on peaceful demonstrators, demanding an end to police brutality and reform of the law enforcement agency in many parts of the country. An Islamic preacher, Sheikh Musa Asadus Sunnah, has asked the Nigerian government to be brutal on EndSARS protesters so as to get them off the streets of major cities across the country. The cleric said that the same treatment meted on members of the Islamic movement in Nigeria in Zaria, Kaduna State in 2015, where over 300 Shiites were killed by the military during a procession, must be visited on peaceful demonstrators, demanding an end to police brutality and reform of the law enforcement agency in many parts of the country. According to him, it is only when this is done that the killing of Shiites in Zaria can be justified and agreed to have been done in the interest of national security, as claimed by the government. Speaking in Hausa language, the Islamic cleric said, "I am going to say what you people have never heard me say today. There was a crisis in Zaria where Shiites were attacked and massacred. If the reason truly was for national stability, then anybody that challenges and undermines the authority of the Nigerian state declare war against them for Nigeria to stay in peace. But if you, government, declare war against those ones, Shiites, in the name of Nigeria and another group are now causing instability and war is not declared against them, then no sensible person will accept the rationale given for the action against the Shiites without questioning. Both are human beings. If one group is punished because of Nigeria, then whoever is perceived to have engaged in an act of destabilization, you, government, should take action to eliminate and punish him for Nigeria to be in peace. You, government, need to know this. Don't think you, government, are the only one that is sensible. The masses have sense too. Many young Nigerians have taken to the streets to protest the brutality and injustice they have encountered at the end of officials of the now disbanded Special Anti-Robbery Squad. This protest forced the Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, to disband the unit and announce a new team named SWAT. The decision has not gone down well with Nigerian youths, who have continued to occupy major roads and intersections in various parts of the country to show their anger. The people are calling for the disbandment of the newly constituted SWAT team and initiate holistic reform. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, that is to tell you how angered this Islamic cleric is concerning this EndSARS protest. Everybody wants this units to be completely and totally removed. If possible, I think this cleric is even requesting for complete removal of the Nigerian police force. That is what I perceive in his analysis. He is not even requesting for the removal of the unit. He is requesting for the complete removal of the Nigerian police force. Yes, because it has it is now becoming, be careful. If you see that you should start pointing out the atrocities of the Nigerian police force. I tell you, you will you will just you will just you will just commit atrocities by saying a lot of unbelievable things about them. The atrocities committed by the Nigerian police force is enough to kiss them a goodbye, is enough to close down the force, is enough to tell them that their service is no longer needed. We cannot continue with a force that is called upon to help protect the security and the life of the people, and at the end destruct and attack the people that they have given them to take care of and support. Is that how they do things? And later they will tell you that police is your friend, bail is free. But they are the one making the whole thing to look horrible and strange. In fact, the way our Nigerian police force behave is very, very strange to many Nigerians. That when you see them, you will not even believe that they are the one that are doing this. You will not believe. So that is why it is good that they even scrapped them off completely. So if the Nigerian police force is refusing, or federal government is refusing to end this, to end the existence of this SWAT or SARS or whatever they call them, then the people will protest for the complete removal of the Nigerian police force. I think that would be okay for Nigerian police, since they are still proving to be smart. They are still proving to be smart. Is it because the people are not protesting for the removal of Nigerian police? Is it that? Or is that what they want? If that is what they want, the protest will begin. Because I don't see what the Nigerian police, any single positive effect that they have added to the life of the citizens. Instead, what they keep adding is pains. Pain. I tell you, my viewers, enough is enough. We cannot continue like this. Justice must take its course. Please, what's your own take and advice concerning all that has just been said? Because the whole thing is getting tough and tough and tough by the day. Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.